Okay, so for this hole, we are going to click on Hole Wizard, and then we're going to go to hole type where we can put in everything. We're just going to do a legacy hole because it's the simplest. You put all your information in really quickly. So, and then we're going to go to counterboard hole. So we have, if you look, the top says 30, which is what we want. We want a depth of 4. We want a diameter of 20, which is this part here, and a depth of 100. That comes straight from the guide. So, and that isn't standard. I had put that in earlier, so that's why it is already there. But yeah, so 20, which is this big circle here, 30, which goes from there to there, and then 4 going down. And then if you position it, click on the face, click on where you want it in the center, and then there you go. Got your hole. And then there is one more little hole. This time we're just going to do a circle. It's 10. It's on the side. It's in the center. Should be simple. Sketch. Sketch here. Control 8. And then we're just going to do a circle. Kind of draw it in the middle. Smart dimension it. It's 10. And then you want it right in the middle. So it says 25 from here to here. Oops, written 25 there. And then it's right through the center. So it's 30-ish. Nope, not 30. Yeah, 30 from the top, 30 from this here. So we'll use that dimension. There you go. And we can go straight into extrude cut. And we're just going to go straight through all. And there it is. That part. That looks so complicated. It is kind of complex, but you just got to break it down. Figure out what is the easiest way you can do it. And then add on to that. And yeah, so the next thing we're going to work on is the actual practice exam from that it was given by SolidWorks. So I will see you in the next video.